Hi.
A beautiful sunny afternoon, evening.
Hi.
So it's nearly 7:30.
So it's nearly 7:30, cause that's usually my bedtime. I don't see my dad, so that's a weird. Anyways, look at that bright moon. Anyways, just look how tall that grass is, guys. I just want to say, I'm brand new to being a YouTuber, so I have to do my best job. All right. Just told it, Mom. It's like an actually record on my wall. Anyways, I'm not even on the tab. Look at this. Come on. Guys, I just want to say thank you for watching. Mom, follow me. Hit that subscribe button. Guys, hit that subscribe button. See ya. No, don't hit it. Hit that subscribe button. Like the video, put a nice comment, and you're done. Hit that bell. Spies out.